Welcome to Travel with Suri. This is one of Acadia's National Park most classic and popular hikes, but it is not for the faint of heart or those afraid of heights. A few missteps would have led to one mighty fall. This hike is exposed and you will be using granite boulders, ladders and iron rungs to haul yourself up the trail. Welcome to the Beehive Trail, Acadia National Park, Maine. We started our hike from the Sand Beach parking lot, reached the Beehive Mountain, took the Bowl Trail and returned back. The Beehive Trailhead is directly across from the Sand Beach parking lot. The Sand Beach is a gorgeous little beach nestled between mountains and rocky shores. The beach is largely comprised of unique sand of shell fragments created by the pounding surf. The water line can vary quite a bit because of the difference between high and low tide. We are all graduated from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College in 2001 and living in US. We used to have a get-together every year, and this year we had it in Acadia National Park. The Beehive Trail is very popular and the trail is very well planned out and maintained. After a short hike through the woods to the beginning of the Beehive Trail, the trail ascends quickly. The Beehive Trail ascends the front face of the Beehive Mountain. The view is amazing. There is a lot of scrambling and climbing, and iron rungs have been bolted into the rock face to assist you. There are a few places with steep drop-offs, so this trail is not recommended for those with a fear of heights nor for those who are uncomfortable with the use of iron rungs.
சாய் தான் வந்து அட்வென்ச்சர் தான் உனக்கு இது வீடியோ கால்.
Hiking up the Beehive Trail is absolutely breathtaking and very beautiful. We climbed several sections of iron rungs, hiked some cliffs, and even crossed a skinny wooden bridge at one point. I highly recommend some shoes with grip, especially if it is overcast or raining like it was when we hiked. You may also want gloves in the colder months. I would not say this hike is dangerous, but we definitely had to be very careful. A few missteps would have led to one mighty fall. If you are scared of heights or have trouble balancing, the trail is not for you. Luckily, there is an alternate way to the top of Beehive Trail from the backside of the Bowl Trail. For me, the climb to the top on the Beehive Trail was what made this hike so exciting and memorable. Not the views at the top, the uniqueness of the trail left a lasting impact. We reached the top of Beehive Mountain, took some pictures, enjoyed the view. It was amazing. If you are in rush and need to head back, you can keep following the trail and then take your first left to come down the backside of Beehive Trail. This is a short and easy route back because you should never hike down the face of Beehive. All of the iron rung trails are one way only up the face. It's super dangerous to go down while people are coming up. So use the common sense. From the summit, we have reached the Bowl Lake in about 20 minutes. The Bowl is a gorgeous lake surrounded by many wonderful places to see. You can take a nice refreshing dip in the bowl if you are up to it, or relax and enjoy the view for a bit before continuing with your hike. If you have just a bit of more time, then you should make your way towards Champlain Mountain. Hiking this will add about a 2 miles to your hike and allow you to take in more of Acadia's National Park. Champlain Mountain is one of several mountains on Mount Desert Island. Its elevation is 1058 feet. Once we summited the Champlain Mountain, we returned back to the parking lot via the same Bowl Trail. This hike was one of my best hikes. Start early in the morning, because if you start after 10 a.m., people will be in the queue to hike Beehive Trail. Don't hike down. This hike and its views are exposed. Though it is short, you will definitely want to take some water. Don't go if you are afraid of heights. Please do not. This is not a hike for the faint of heart. We really had a fun time. It was an adventurous hike. The overall hike took 3 to 4 hours for us. It was worth it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you so much. See you. Bye.